Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla. Alright, everyone, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla. You see? And I have a interview here where I say put up about mackerel again. You know, for real, this girl has circulated the whole place hard. You see me? Now, basically, Jenny have some things to say to mackerel where it seems to me like she's saying that what mackerel is doing is prostitution. So basically, that will say that she's implying that she's a prostitute. You know what I'm saying? However, many days of a judge. Remember the years of a show, you my viewers were going because I know enough of you my viewers, you know, especially one them when I live in Jamaica. You know, because I know enough of you when I live in Jamaica keep up to date with what going in Jamaica. So I'm going to present to you this interview with Mackerel on the Jenny show. Yeah, yes, I say, I don't know if you ever hear about it, but it's a radio talk show. Alright? So listen keenly to observe this. You see?
Y'all popularly call her Mackerel. And I'm going to start by asking her in this personality interview, why Mackerel? Want to say good morning, Mackerel. How are you doing?
Good morning,
all right. Why they call you Mackerel?
well, I'm from doing your day and why you come do it in Mackerel?
Before I even get to that, tell me about school. You go to school, you've been to school, you did well at school. Tell me about school.
Well, I was at the Tony Hart Academy where I was pursuing customer service supervision.
Which school is that? Say it again.
Stony Hill Hart Academy.
Oh, Stony Hill Hart Academy. But before Stony Hill, which school you attended?
Meadowbrook.
You went to Meadowbrook High?
Yes.
So you have some CXC subjects?
No.
Oh, so you went to Meadowbrook High, didn't pass any CXC at all. Now I'm going to get a little personal. If it is that you're uncomfortable with the questions, feel free to say, I don't want to answer that. So at what age did you become sexually active? I mean, all right, what but tell us if you don't want to answer the question, Mackerel, if you say you don't want to answer the question, was there a mother involved, a father in terms of the household that you're in, or pretty much were you on your own from early? So you don't want to answer the question there?
No.
What about your parents? Were your parents there in your life to guide you, Mackerel?
Well, no.
They weren't there.
I know them. So my mother hard about the relationship of the bonding.
So you have the real relationship with your mother or your father.
Mm.
When you get older and you look back at your life, like now you're 18 years old, you're going to be 28 if the Lord blesses you with long life, you're going to be 38, 48. Is this what you want to remember that you did with your youth?
Yeah.
It's not going to bother you when you're 50 years old that you did this at 18.
Mm-hmm.
And you're not afraid of getting the diseases. You do know condoms can burst, right?
Yeah,
I didn't hear what you said. Say it again.
I was saying, nobody said you said that people and I said.
Oh, I'm an idiot.
Two people are mad and just a correct.
Oh, so, forgive me.
He has a lie with them. You're supposed to know.
So you have sex with some of them, or you don't have sex with some of them?
Mm-hmm.
So when you become older, it's not going to bother you that this is what you did as a young person to make a living. What about the skills that you have? Are you planning to use that at all? How long are you planning to take people's man as an income? For the rest of your I will answer a question that people are going to say, really, Jenny? You believe in God?
Oh, yeah, Jenny, yeah.
You believe in God?
Yeah.
So do you think God approves of what you're doing?
Yeah, Jenny, got to be family, no, I'll pass the deacon to body as Jenny.
Have you ever had a relationship with a pastor and a deacon?
That's my last agenda. You know that.
Okay, so how can you speak definitively about what pastors and deacons are doing? And you've never experienced that, so therefore you can't say that about the people then, because you don't trust doesn't mean that other people are doing what you're doing.
You see, I you see what pastor and deacon are doing. You see that?
Yeah, you do have some of them. There's no denying that. But if you believe in God and you believe God doesn't approve of what you're doing, you don't think that you really at some point in time need to change your life. Especially you have a son. You don't want your son to see mommy doing this. Your son is not going to respect you. You know that, right? When he gets older and sees that this is what you're doing for a living, you know it's not going to, you know it's prostitution, right? Oh, you plan for change. So when you reach, okay, how old is your son now? 4. So you're planning to change when you reach about 8? 4 more years of take people's mind. I'm trying to understand what's...
And everything that we get tired, you know. Because he's gonna take people, man, and he know more.
So,
everything safe and so on. But you have different.
So social media, though, means that it's going to be out there for the rest of your life. And he can go and search. And this generation is a social media generation. The millennials, we call them. He's going to see it. So... First, when you see it and say, Mommy, but you're a prostitute, what are you going to say to him? Because you do know it's prostitution, right? You know you're a prostitute, right?
Jenny?
Yeah?
No,
but me have to ask you, Ladisha. The people that not going to ask you the truth, Jenny's. Me don't know how to ask truth in Ladisha. Truth is my name. I'm in nature. So, Ladisha, it is prostitution that you're doing. When your son said to you, Mommy, why have you decided to be a prostitute? What are you going to say to him?
No, can't bother.
No, you feel bother, man. Because you still a bother take people, man. So tell me what you're going to say to your child.
Jenny?
Yes.
Prostitution.
What you say? Ladisha, stop the last thing next for yourself inside the two. You cannot tell me you're taking people's man, you're having sex with some you try to hide out, and this is what you do for a living. You get up to $80,000 a month, and you're saying it's not prostitution. What you mean, Ladisha?
Prostitution, man.
Eh?
It's not prostitution.
Yes, it is, honey. What it is that you exchange sexual favors in exchange for any commodity, whether it be money or things, car, house, land, money, it is prostitution, especially if that is what you are doing. Yeah.
I'm a prostitute.
Oh, you don't like to hear that you're a prostitute, but you're a prostitute, Ladisha. So you have to look at it, because when your son says, Mommy, why have you prostituted yourself, Ladisha? You are going to not like the question. So, Ladisha, I am saying to you, woman to woman, that one, when you get to 40, 50, you're not going to want to think that this is what you do with your youth. Ladisha, yeah. No, but you have to stop longer than by them time, the Ladisha. And when your child starts asking you this at age 6 and 7, Ladisha, to go uncomfortable, so start change from early. So the money that when you earn already from the man, them don't buy no per year with it. Use it and go invest it so that the money can gain some interest. Start a business, start a hair business, a nail business, customer service, perhaps start your own little shop. So you can practice the things that you learn at Stony and Heart Academy. But you have to stop like this year, Ladisha. Tell yourself that this year I'm going to stop and I'm going to start change. Ladisha. Gradually, but me want you stop, not just, but me don't want you stop gradually. Me want you say 2018, 2019, me gonna make a change in my life, Ladisha. Can you do that? Can you think about that? Because you have another life you're in charge of, and plus your body is exposed every day to physical damage, diseases, emotional scarring. All of that can happen to you, Ladisha, if it is going to make the change. No, Ladisha, you have to look into yourself. Okay, so you not think about the lives that we are hurt. Think about you, Ladisha, how it's going to hurt you. Because guess what, I promise you something. Woman to woman, it must hurt you. It must. You hear something? I beg you, make 2019 be the year where you look into yourself. You hear, Mama? Thanks for talking to me, honey.
Alright, well, that's how you have it. That's what I say. that is the interview with Mackerel, the new sensation in Jamaica. You see me I say, known as Ladisha. You see me, her real name is Ladisha. You see me I say to you, she did on the Jenny show, and Jenny I try if well, you can see that Jenny I try say she a guide her. You see me I say to you, there's a lot of things that happen at this interview where me would like to point it out, but for some reason I don't think I should. So me I say because you don't know my audience is on both tracks. Some might agree with her, some don't. You see me I say to you. So this is what me left it for you, my viewers, to make sure you tell me what you think about the whole situation. You see me I say to you, I mean, she wrong or she right for what go on. You know, you have to look in at certain things, you see me? I'm here to talk about with Jenny, if Jenny wrong for what she said, you see me? Because basically, Jenny basically said that she's like a prostitute. But anyway, you don't know the thing already. If you don't know more, just only for tell me what you think in the comments below. You see me I say? And if you're brand new to my channel, you don't know, you have to click the subscribe button to keep up to date for what go on. You know, the thing set already with the Dancehall Skilla. You see me I say to you? And my name is Skilla. And that you just see here, a Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. You see it? Hey man, you know what you watch?